tayong Dunkin' Pillow. It's a strawberry donut pillow. Okay, let's do this. Let's open it. Sabi ko, remove donut pillow from vacuum seal packaging. Uy, hindi ko naman sinara.
Hindi naman lumapad.
Wait lang, chill ka lang, girl. Thank you, Dunkin'. Ayan, ito. The fluffy honey sushi! Now! Sushi! Akin to. Don't get it.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm fluffing the...
What? The donut? The dough?
Minamasa ko yung donut. Minamasa ko yung donut para lumaki siya. I-bake na po natin siya sa oven. Yan, so fluffy na.
Hindi naman.
Hanggang dun lang ang kaya niya. I'm a big donut.
Yan si Sushi.
I've got lychee drinks from Dunkin' Donuts.